Hello guys, so in this episode we are just going to be making a prefab generator. So let's create a new package, let's call it Prefabs, and in this package let's create a new class called Prefabs. Okay, so what is a prefab? Well, prefab stands for prefabricated. So what do they do? Well, it's just a way to create a game object, right? And we've already got a version of it, right? Or not a version of it, like a blueprint for it. So if you've ever used Unity, it's the same thing. So to create this, all we're going to do is create a simple method, public static game object, and we're just going to call it generate. That way we can create a game object from wherever, and we're just going to do prefabs.generate, and then we'll pass in the string name, or the name of the prefab, a vector2f called of a position, and then the size, and then we're going to add components to the end. Alright, so this syntax may look unfamiliar to you. This just means it's an array of components, right? So this means you're passing in an array of components, but you can put as many components as you want. I will show you how that looks in a second. So we'll do game object, to equals to new game object, and we're going to pass in the name, and we pass in through the parameters, pass in a new transform, that passes in the position and the size we specified in the parameters, right? And then we're going to iterate through each component, and we are going to simply add each component to the game object, and then we're going to return geo. And actually, I'm realizing we can replace this line with geo dot get all components dot add all, and we can do comps just like that. Alright, there we go. And this is how we will be making most of the game objects. So yeah, that's it. So when we want to create a game object, let's say we're in this scene right here, we can do let's delete this. So now when we press space, we'll just do prefabs dot generate a test object. Just give it a position of 0, 0. So just do that. It's not going to have a size because it's not going to have any components, and there we go. So you can see we didn't have to put in any component parameter, right? That's because we can put as little as 0 and as many as, I don't know, as much as the computer can store, I guess. But, you know, we can do like a new component. Hey, Google, turn on the lights. Sorry, I don't know what the hell happened. And do another new component, and that's how the system's going to work. Now, we haven't actually made any components, but that will be in the next video. So when we run this, and I'm just realizing you won't be able to see it, but when we press space, it's going to create a component. We can check this by doing, we can print out the get, this is a scene, right? Get game objects, what the hell? Oh, we did not create the game object stuff in here. Okay, so this video will not only be about the game object. Actually, you know what, let's do it next video. Okay, so that's it for this video. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. See ya.